Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be having a look at Tesla bears and what have they been up to in the past months. Tesla short sellers are becoming a rare breed. New data from IHS Markit Ltd, a London-based information company, shows. For years, Tesla has been among the most shorted stocks on Wall Street. In the past, the company has had vocal critics like David Einhorn, Jim Chanos, Michael Burry, and others. However, Tesla stock's incredible run-up over the past 2 years has caused many of these short sellers to abandon their positions. While Chanos essentially admitted defeat in an interview this year, he told CEO Elon Musk that he had done a great job. Others have remained relatively vocal regarding their position on Tesla stock. It seems many short sellers have followed in Chanos' footsteps, as the data shows short levels are at their lowest since 2010, when Tesla went public at $13 per share. Bloomberg has stated in their report of the short interest that just 1.1% of available Tesla shares are borrowed by traders, which is a standard measure of short interest. This is based on IHS Markit's data as of Thursday, September 30th. S3 Partners, another data company that competes with IHS, indicated that their short interest calculations for Tesla stock came in at a slightly higher 3.2%. This is still the lowest ever recorded short interest percentage metric that S3 has ever captured for Tesla stock. S3 spokesperson Ihor stated that shares shorted decreased by 1.5 million shares last month. Short interest in Tesla hit record lows in December 2020, when many of the company's skeptics began to abandon negative positions. At the tail end of last year, Tesla short sellers suffered an estimated $25.5 billion in losses. Short interest had fallen to 31.4 million in December, as just 11 months earlier in January 2020, it was at its peak 93.6 million. 2020, despite being such a challenging year for so many entities, was perhaps Tesla's most incredible year. It was without a doubt, if you go off of stock price alone, which surged over 700% last year. 2021 did not get off to a good start for shorts either. Some reports had indicated that Tesla short sellers had lost over $1 billion within the first 5 days of trading in 2021. In 2020, Tesla shorts felt $38 billion in losses alone. If history is any indication of what short sellers will feel this year, it could be the reason for such decreased bets against Tesla. The company is coming off its most successful quarter in history, as it reported 241,300 vehicle deliveries in Q3, with production coming in slightly lower. Both figures were the best in Tesla's short but storied history, and the company is now within striking distance of attaining 1 million vehicle deliveries for the year, if it can ramp Giga Texas and Giga Berlin production in Q4. At the time of recording, Tesla was up in pre-market at $786.77. What do you think about short sellers on Tesla stock? Do you think that people like Gordon Johnson, or even someone that Elon Musk has mentioned himself as Bill Gates, do you think they're still shorting Tesla, or did they take enough of a hit and now are covering their losses? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for hanging around until the end of the video. If you are interested in more stock market information and more growth companies, I would recommend to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. This way, next time I upload a new video about a potential growth company, you will be notified by YouTube. Have a good day and a good week.